Tropical Turmeric Overnight Oats. Begin with oats. Who would have thought? If you don't already know this, I love oats. And I have to have a bowl at least once a day. Next up is turmeric, amazing spice. Check the link in the description box to read more about it. Add a teaspoon. I've grown accustomed to the taste and tend to go a bit buck wild with it, but if you haven't had it before, start small. Add some coconut milk, the stuff you buy in a can, and some water. You could also use milk or yogurt. Then begin to stir it all together until you get this bright golden yellow colour. Place in the fridge to set overnight. When it's ready, remove from the fridge and add the toppings, which are sliced banana, mango, passion fruit, and some flaked almonds. Of course, you can just chuck them on, but look how pretty it is. A drizzle or two of maple syrup / honey and your tropical bowl of turmeric oats are ready. Link to the full recipe will be in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video so you never miss out on delicious food.